Our lesson today is about go and do. Go and do. What's the past of the word go? What's the past of the word go? Answer. Hmm.
Went.
Went. Amazing. Wonderful. So the past of go is went. So what's the past of do?
Miss, I want to answer. Did.
Don't say I want to answer. Just answer it. If I didn't say a name, just answer. Okay.
هتضربيني؟ فين شلتها؟ هتضربيني
So the words go and do are action verbs. We use go and do to tell about the present or to tell about something happening. Now, to tell about something happening. Now, we use went and did to tell about something already happened, to tell about something has already happened. So concentrate. Go and do, there are action verbs. The words go and do are in the present tense. The words went and did, they are in the past tense. Okay, in the past form. So we use the words go and do to tell about something happening now. We use went and did to tell about something has already happened or it happened and finished. It happened in the past. Stop Khalid. Khalid. Properly and concentrate. So what's the past of go? Went. All of you together. Unmute your mics and tell me what's the past of go? Excellent, Asil. Batal, I can't hear your voice. Miral, went. Excellent. The past. Ratil, turn on your cam and your mic. What's the past of do? What's the past of do? Went. Excellent. The past of do is did. The past of go went. The past of do did. Now let's see. The past of go went. Let's take some examples for the word go. It's a verb. It shows us an action. Go means to move from one place to another. If you go from your house to the restaurant, you will say, I go to the restaurant, or I will go to the restaurant, or I like to go to the restaurant. But if you went to the restaurant yesterday, you will say, I went to the restaurant. I went to the restaurant. But if you want to tell about something will happen in the future or something happening now, or you will tell about something you like, for example, I like to go to school, you will use the word go. But if you will talk about something has already happened, you will use the word went because it is in the past form. So let's take some examples. I go to school. They go to the shop. They go to the shop. He goes to the park. Here, grade 1, concentrate please. If we add is to the word go, it will be goes. Do you remember when we say, I want you to concentrate, it's very important. If we use the subject I or we, I or we or they, or if we have a plural subject, what will we write after them? We will write only a verb without anything. Okay, only a verb like I go, I eat, I drink, I jump. But if we stop grade 1 and listen, please. Listen. But if we want to talk about he, about or she, or it, or if we want to talk about singular subject, we should write a verb or use a verb plus is. We should add is to the verb. Do you remember that? If we want to say, for example, she eats. I don't know where I should put it. There is no space. Okay. Can you see them very well here? I will change the color. It will be better. The black color will be better. Yes. Okay. So if we want to say he or she or it, we will use a verb plus s after it, Jury. So for example, she jumps, it eats or it drinks. For example, the girl swims or the girl reads, right? We will add s to the verb. Even for the verb go, if we want to say he or she or it, we will say he goes, she goes, it goes, he, she, it, and for example, the cat goes. Okay? So we will not say he go. It's wrong to say he go because we should add is to the verb after the singular subject. So he goes, she goes, it goes, the cat goes. But what about I? I go or I goes? I go. We go. They go. For example, the girls or the teachers or the moms or the animals, for example, go. But he, she, and it, we will use goes with them. Do you understand the grade 1?
Yes.
So, I go to school, they go to school, they go to the shop, but she goes to the park. He goes to the park, okay? But in the past simple, we will use went with all the subjects. He went, you went, we went, I went. We will use the same word with all the subjects. We will not add it to the past, okay? To the past form. So he went to the park. You went to school. We went to school last year, right? We went to school last year. We went to the club. So look at here. I go to the library. I go to the library. If we want to talk about a girl, we will say she goes to the library. We will not say she go, she goes. He goes to the library. You understand? We will write it in your book, okay? So I go to the library, that's happening now. But if she went to some place yesterday, will we say she go or she went?
He went, mineral.
So we will use in the past. Excellent. Excellent. She went to the mall yesterday. I forgot to put a period at the end, so.
Me, not Miral.
Excellent.
No, mineral. No,
Okay.
Miral and I.
They said the two of them.
I am a Miral.
She went to the mall yesterday. I muted you. You will not be able to unmute your mics because you're typing. So she went to the mall yesterday. If we want to talk about something in the past, we will use the word went. If we want to tell something, for example, about now, I love to do my homework. I love to do my homework. But if we want to talk about the past, what did you yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I did my homework last night. I did my homework last night. I did a lot of work yesterday. I did a lot of work yesterday. So we will use it to tell about something has already happened, Jury. You understand? Don't forget the past of go is went, the past of do is did. Now let's talk about the proper nouns. The proper nouns, in the beginning, what are the nouns? The nouns are names for a person, place, or thing. The nouns are names for a person, place, or thing. Like the girl is a noun, the house is a noun. For example, the car is a noun, or the wagon. It's not a car, of course. It's the wagon is a noun. But we have two kinds of nouns. We have common nouns and we have proper nouns. Do you remember? The common nouns tell us the general name. For example, like girl. Girl is a common noun. Look at here. We have two kinds of nouns, common and proper. I didn't put pictures because your lesson today is about only proper nouns. It's not about common nouns. But I want you to concentrate to know the difference between the common and the proper. The common noun, it tells us about something in general. For example, girl, but we don't know which girl. Or student, but we don't know which student. Girl, for example, student. Book, but we don't know which book. Country, but we don't know which country or which city or which ocean. So it tells us the name in general, but the proper noun tell us the exact name or the specific name. For example, Eileen, Hisham, and we should write the proper nouns with a capital letter. For example, if we want, like, do you know the restaurant? Do you know this restaurant? I'm hungry, so we'll start it with capital letter because it's a name for a specific restaurant. For example, what else? Mac or Hershey or Hardee's or Kentucky. All of them starts with capital letters because there are specific names. If we want to say Jeddah, Jeddah, it's a specific city. Do you know the Red Sea? We'll start Red Sea with capital letter because it has a specific name. So the proper nouns, they tell us the specific name for something, the specific name for a person or a place or thing. Like Dorothy and Tutu, they are proper nouns. Why they are proper nouns? Because they have name. If we say girl, it's not a proper, but if we say the name of the girl like Dorothy, it's a proper noun and it should start with a capital letter. And Tutu also, it's the proper noun and it should start with a capital letter. So what is the proper noun? The proper nouns name a special or a specific person, place, or thing. They begin with capital letter. The proper nouns should begin with capital letters. Now get your grammar books. Now you will be able to unmute your mics, but don't make noise because we will solve together.
All right. Teacher, how many pages?
3 pages.
Teacher, what page?
3
What
pages.
page?
Your grammar book, page number 86. 86.
I open mineral.
Okay, I just need to close the WhatsApp. Okay. Because we don't want to see the notification. Page number 86. And let's write the date.
كله ورا بعضه حط قفل خد انت
So let's write 2021. So the words go and do are action verbs. We use go and do to tell about something happening now or what's happening now. Go and do for what's happening now. Went and did to tell what already happened. That's mean for the past. What's already happened. That's mean for the past. Today I go see Graham. Today I go see Graham. We do our work now. Those are present. They are happening now. He went to play last week. That's already happened. They did have fun last night. Did have fun last night. It's in the past. Now, write the verb that tells about the present. The verb that tells about the present. Like go and do. Unmute your mics to answer. Animals. Okay, but tell. Animals, a lot of work to find food. Animals, a lot of work to find food. Do or did? They said use the present.
Do.
Do, wonderful. The present is do. So animals do a lot of work to find food. Thank you. Battal? No, Battal, he finished. Okay, Hisham, excellent, Battal. Hisham? Hisham?
Yes, miss.
Some animals away when it's cold. Some animals go away or went away. Which one is the present?
Went away.
The present, go or went?
Go.
Go is the present. Went is the past form. So let's write go. Thank you, Hisham. Asil? Asil?
Did.
Asil, unmute your mic.
Answer.
Other animals in a cave to sleep.
Yes.
Go or went? Which one is the present? Other animals go in cave to sleep or went in caves to sleep? Which one is the present?
Went.
No, the present. Go or did?
Go.
Go. Excellent. Other animals go in cave to sleep. Write the verb that tells about the past. What is the past of go? Went. What is the past of do? Did. So, went and did. Yes, Ratil? Ratil? The ducks to Alice called the place. The ducks went or go? Which one is the past? Unmute your mic.
Went, miss.
Went, amazing. Went is the past of go. So the ducks went to Alice called the place. So let's write went. They not like the lake of ice. They don't like or didn't like Sharif. Unmute your mic and turn on your cam. Sharif. Okay, Omar. Unmute your mic, Omar. They not like the lake of ice. Do or didn't? Which one is the past? Because they said use the past. So they don't like or they didn't like. Which one is the past?
I finished. Me, Miral.
Respect your friend, Miral. Yes, Omar.
Did.
Did. Excellent, Omar. Excellent, Miral. But you should respect your friend. If he's answering, you should respect him. And don't talk, okay, while he's talking. Have you finished? If you finish, raise your hand.
I finished, look.
Now open page number 87. Turn your page, you're gonna find it. Just turn your page, you're gonna find it. And let's write the date 2/2/2021.
37.
It's the second day of the second month, 2021. So the verbs go and do have different forms for the present and the past. What is the present for go? I'm talking, please.
Okay.
What's the present? Go and do, they are present. What is the past of go? Went. What is the past of do? It's did. Underline the form of go or do. That tells about the present. Underline the form of go or do that tells about the present. Circle the form if it tells about the past. So underline if it tells about the present. We will underline.
I can go to the bathroom.
Go. Underline the present and circle the past. Okay? Underline the present and circle the past. I need you to tell me if each word or each verb a present or a past. Okay? Let's see who didn't answer. Lara? Lara, are you here? Lara? Unmute your mic. Now the bees go in the hive. Now the bees go in the hive. Look at the word go. Is it a present or a past? Present form or a past form?
Go.
Yes,
Present.
go. Present or past?
Present.
Present. Excellent, Lara. So underline it. I don't like this underline. Underline it, okay? Asil, Battal, they answered. Sharif didn't respond. Okay, Abdullah. Abdullah.
Yeah.
The frogs went in the water. Went, present or past?
I want to answer.
Abdullah, present or past? Wait your turn, Khalid. You will answer, don't worry. Yes, Abdullah, I didn't hear you.
Past.
Past, excellent. So you will circle it. And listen, let's write beside it. Present, here, past. It's better than circling and underlining. Eileen, unmute your mic. Eileen, then Khalid. Okay, Khalid, Eileen. Did the frogs make a big splash? Did. Present or past? Eileen.
Past.
Past, wonderful. So let's circle it. Circle it. And let's write.
My turn. Teacher, I
Yes,
finished.
Khalid. Okay, Khalid, number 4. I did see the ducks on the lake.
Answer.
Wait your turn. Yes, Khalid.
Let.
Did. Is it present or past?
Did. Send did.
Yes, okay, did present or past?
Teacher, I want to read, please.
I said respect your friends.
Present.
Did, it's not present, Khalid. Concentrate. Did, it is
Stop.
a past, Khalid. Concentrate.
Because
Look, it's past.
Meral is talking.
I know. I told her she should respect her friend. Okay. Yusuf?
Teacher,
Yusuf.
I want to answer. Yes.
You can see the ants go by. Go, present or past?
Go. Go.
Go, present or past?
Present.
Present, wonderful. Judy? Do you see the fish in the water?
Do.
Do, present or past? Judy, present or past?
Present.
Present, excellent. So underline it. Underline it and let's write present.
Miss, I finished.
Excellent.
I finished Mimi Ralph.